A type of corrosion occurring on iron and steel when come in contact with oxygen and water is called rust. A wire brush for rust cleaning can be fabricated from brass or steel wire. Take a piece of round pipe in size of drill bit and attach the wire in the pipe by squeezing, which can be connected in a drill router for cleaning. Rust can be a serious problem for metal structure, so its removal is compulsory as it can weaken the structure. Choosing right type of wire is necessary because brass is soft, recommended for soft surfaces, while steel is stronger, can be used for tougher surfaces. Make a DIY screwdriver from a bolt, making screw grooves in its head as shown. A screwdriver is a tool that is used to insert or remove screws by using its tip. The rotational force is transferred through the shaft and onto the screw, causing it to turn. Jewelry craftspeople love silver because the material is soft, malleable, and ductile. As silver is highly reflective, inexpensive, and durable and can be polished to a luminous sheen, so jewelry craftspeople not only use it for jewelry purpose but also other decorative items. A decent key ring or keychains made from silver gungros will keep your keys gathered together and secure. They also provide ease of access to your keys when reaching into your bag for them. Certain mechanical process like rolling, punching, and welding are involved in this process.